Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got ham and we got some white beans. And with this ham and these white beans, we're going to be making you guys a southern style ham and bean with some cornbread, of course. Okay, normally I do croquettes, but I'm just go ahead and just do the cornbread in my little pan right here. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you want to take these beans out this bag and you want to start separating them, sorting out, because sometimes you may find a little rock or something in there or some discoloration. And you want to soak these. So how I'm going to soak mine is with some hot water. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up, separate them, and I'm gonna put them in there and let them soak for about a good hour. I'll see you guys in a minute, and then we're gonna chop up this ham. And we have seasonings over here too. I'm sorry about that. This is some chicken base, some garlic salt, some adobo. I have right here some Old Bay, some complete seasoning, and some granulated onion powder, followed by some lemon pepper. Alright, and all that's going to get in there. I'm going to chop this up too. We're just going to cut them in cubes and stuff, okay? I'm not going to flash fry this or nothing like that. I'm just going to cut them up and put them in the pot after these get soaking for about a good hour. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's my beans right here. And I did find some rocks up in these beans, in this bag of beans. You don't want it, that's why I say you gotta make sure you check it. See that rock? I'll show you how these look. So make sure you go through that bag, because you don't want no one bite down on that. See them rocks up in there? Okay, we don't want that. Alright, so we're going to discard that. We're going to get our pot. And we're just going to soak these. And as I pour, I'll be still checking. You always want to thoroughly check. Make sure you don't have a rock in there hiding again. Okay, that's it. We'll let that soak, guys. And then by an hour, we'll go ahead and do all this other stuff. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. My beans are done. I'm going to show you that. Here's the beans. They're double in size right here. I'm just going to pour that in this pot. I washed them off 3 to 4 times. But that's a lot of beans. It's going to get bigger too. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on this ham over here. I'll try to dry it off as much as I can. Okay. So, I mean, just chopping it up. That's all. Just like this, guys. Now, this little fat piece up in here, I don't want. So, I'm going to take that piece off. Just a little piece of meat on there. So, I'll just take that off and discard it. Now, your ham has salt already in it, so that's why you don't see salt over here like that. The garlic salt got salt, the lemon pepper got salt, so you don't want to over salt your beans. You can always adjust like when it get done. keep that in mind. Just a little bone piece right here. Now you can leave that in there if you want. I'll leave it in there. Just gonna add some flavor. So yeah, this is all you're doing, guys. Take these little pieces, throw them up in there. If you want them smaller, you can have them smaller. It's up to you. I'm just throwing them over here in this pot as I go. Got a little piece of fat I don't want. We're gonna cook this, guys, for about at least about 2 to 3 hours. Just depending on how done it gets. Some of this up a little bit. I'm just trying to show you guys what it looks like. So that's what we got right here, okay? Alright. So, now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a little lemon pepper in here. Probably about a teaspoon. Goya, teaspoon. That's it. Garlic salt, teaspoon. We go with a tablespoon of this. This is granulated onion. Teaspoon of complete seasoning. Lots of flavor in that. When we come with this Obey, we just throw a little bit of that in there, like a half a teaspoon. Okay, like that. Now we need water. So, oh yeah, I was gonna put this right here in it, but as you can see, I don't have that much in there. Look. So another trick to that is, that's right, Roman noodles. So you just open up that pack, get that little seasoning pack out of there, chicken. That's right, you can always substitute, because it got plenty of flavor in there anyway. Okay, put that in the garbage. I have a bay leaf and a half. Put that in there. We're gonna need some water. So I'm about to tell you how much water we're gonna need. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up some this thing, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now what I put in here was like 6 cups of water. Okay. So pretty much you just wanted to fill over the top of the bean. Go right over the top of the bean. And I think this is like a 1.5 or 2 pound bag of beans. So more than likely I know I'm gonna be using some more water. But we don't want no spillage while it's cooking. So what I'm gonna do is put this on high. And when it comes to a boil, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on simmer, and we're gonna let it just cook. Probably stir probably within an hour, and then just let it cook, okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, here's my pan. It is hot. And I already did make up this. So comment down below if you guys want to see me make some cornbread and all that stuff. So you do want to put it in the oven. You can see it sizzling. Just like that. Might be able to put it all in there. I put a teaspoon of we're gonna a tablespoon of lard in here if you guys are wondering. Okay, we'll put this back in the oven at 375 and let it cook. Yeah, that's hot. That's how you make cornbread, one-on-one. So let me know. Okay, fam, there it is. That's the cornbread. You guys see that up close? That's it. Alright, now what I did was took one of these sticks, poked it in there. If there's nothing come on it, that means it's done. Okay? Like that. Then took a little butter, spray butter, or you can melt you down some butter and spray it on there. And all it's gonna do is seep down in there and be super delicious. That's it. And that's it on this cornbread. Yep. That's it. So we let that sit and chill or whatever till these beans get done and show you what we'll be doing then. Okay, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. Those are the beans. I just went ahead and bought a chicken, a rotisserie chicken, and put that on there. Of course you know about the cornbread. Let you guys see that. Cornbread, and it tastes amazing. All right, so please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out.